Hi, this is Danielle Flores. I will talk about applied behavior analysis. Just a quick background, I am a registered behavior technician and I've been working with children with autism for 4 years and doing ABA therapy. Okay, so what is ABA? Scientific evidence-based interventions for individuals with autism. As I said, I am in the field and I do work most with children with autism, but this is also relevant for other developmental disabilities such as Down syndrome and others, as I have a client that is a dual diagnosis. Okay, so ABA focuses on improving scientific behaviors such as communication, social interaction, learning new skills, and maintaining positive behaviors. We mostly use data, especially the ABC data, which is the antecedent behavior and consequence data. ABA therapy includes many different techniques. There is a discrete trial training, which is also called DTT, natural environment teaching, which is called NET, and task analysis, and lots more. These interventions has positively impacted individuals with autism and their families to have a good quality life. Okay, and the providers for ABA are registered behavior technicians like myself, and program manager or the board certified behavior analyst, and these BCBAs are the ones who assess the child, and RBTs are the ones who implement the programs. All right, thanks for watching.